Is your volume icon stuck on your screen in your Samsung phone? Don't worry guys, this is not a big issue. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can solve the volume icon stuck issue on your screen. So let's dive in. First, power off your Samsung phone. And then press and hold the volume up and power button together until you see the Samsung logo. After that, you will see the Android recovery mode on your screen. Use the volume up and down button to scroll up and down. And use the power button as the OK button. Now make sure to select the reboot system now option using the volume up and down button. After that, tap on the power button on your phone. Wait for a while. If it asks for the unlock SIM card, enter your PIN code. And then tap OK. Now go ahead and check the issue whether it is solved or not. Hope it is solved. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.